Custom sizes of static tiles offer flexibility for achieving a perfect fit in spaces with unique requirements or layouts. Here are some common sizes and custom sizes for the static flooring tiles manufactured by Y.H.F Floors in China, each with specific applications. Common dimension: 600 by 600 mm. Most popular size, suitable for standard commercial and industrial spaces. Easy to install and provides a good balance of coverage and handling. Custom dimension: 608 by 608 mm. Offers a slightly larger option while still fitting standard installations. Useful for areas requiring minimal adjustments to fit existing layouts. Custom dimension: 610 by 610 mm. A common alternative to 600 by 600 mm, offering a close fit while accommodating minor variations in floor design. Used in regions where this size is more standardized. 12 inches by 12 inches, 300 mm by 300 mm. Suitable for smaller rooms or intricate designs, such as areas with detailed patterns or multiple cutouts. Easier to fit into tight spaces or around equipment. 36 inches by 36 inches, 900 mm by 900 mm. Larger format tile. Ideal for open spaces like cleanrooms, manufacturing areas, and data centers. Reduces the number of seams, providing a smoother appearance and better ESD control. These size options provide versatility for different anti-static flooring needs, ensuring a perfect fit and consistent ESD performance.